How to fix Wi-Fi disabled problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me PPNBusNet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the Wi-Fi disabled problem. Now first and foremost, if you think it's a problem within your device and not with the Wi-Fi connection, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you can restart the device. Now you want to tap and hold on your power button on your device, and it'll give you the restart option. You want to restart it. If you don't want to restart, you can first try and enable and disable, turn off and then turn back again on your Wi-Fi network. Now once you do both the steps, and if it doesn't help, then what it might mean is that it might be a problem within the router or within the Wi-Fi connection. In that case, you might want to contact your Wi-Fi provider or your internet connection provider. Now before doing that, you can simply try and restart your Wi-Fi router as well. So these are the basic solutions to the problem. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.